Most people get this completely wrong when it comes to Amazon. The latest Amazon update specifically targets people doing affiliate network strategy with multiple accounts. They've invested heavily in detection technology, and basic protection methods no longer work. The answer is Multilogin, the industry standard for browser isolation. It generates mathematically unique fingerprints for each profile, making every account look like it's running on a different computer. Keep your antidetect browser updated. Detection methods evolve constantly, and staying current ensures your fingerprints remain undetectable. Rotate your active accounts. Don't use all of them every single day. Real people take breaks, and your account activity should reflect that. Your Amazon strategy becomes truly scalable for the first time. Add accounts, add team members, add markets, without any increase in risk. Every day without protection is a day your accounts are at risk.